Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a really useful skill: how to bring text from a file straight into Adobe Premiere and Photoshop. Whether you're crafting complex titles for your video projects or designing layouts in Photoshop, knowing how to quickly and accurately import text can save you time and cut down on tedious manual entry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the most direct way to get your words into your projects, plus a quick overview of some handy automated tricks for heavier workloads. Let's start with Photoshop, since for most folks, this is where you'll be working with text for graphics or social media posts. The simplest way to get your text in there is something you probably do all the time: copy and paste. Here's how it works. First, you'll want to open up your text source. This could be anything from a text file, a Word document, or even an email. Whatever program you're using to view the text is fine. Just find the section you need, highlight it with your mouse, and copy it. On Windows, that's Ctrl+C. If you're on a Mac, it's CMD+C. It's a basic step, but don't underestimate its power. Copying and pasting is incredibly efficient for single lines or short paragraphs, and it keeps your workflow nice and straightforward. Now let's jump over to Photoshop. If you don't already have your project open, go ahead and start a new canvas or open an existing file where you want that text to go. Look for the horizontal type tool on the left toolbar. It's the one that looks like a capital T. Go ahead and select that. If you're pasting a full paragraph, maybe some body copy or a longer note, click and drag your cursor on the canvas to create a text frame. This is a lot like drawing a box where your paragraph will live. You'll see a blinking cursor inside the box, ready for your words. If it's just a short line, say a single title or label, you can simply click once on the canvas. This drops an insertion point, perfect for brief bits of text. Now, paste in your text with Ctrl+V or CMD+V. You should see your words appear instantly, and don't worry, Photoshop will try to retain line breaks and formatting where possible. But if it doesn't look quite right, that's totally normal. You've got all the tools you need to fix it. Before you move on, though, you need to commit the text so Photoshop knows you're finished typing. Look up at the top bar and click the little check mark, or simply switch to another tool. This step actually locks in your text and prevents accidental changes. If you forget, Photoshop will remind you before you start moving things around, so no stress there. Once your text is committed, it's formatting time. If you want your text to pop or blend well with your design, head over to the character and paragraph panels. You'll find those under Window in the menu. Here, you can change the font, adjust size, tweak spacing, and realign paragraphs. For example, if the pasted text runs off the edge of your box, try shrinking the font or increasing the width. If it comes in as a single, long line, pop open the paragraph panel and ensure it's set to wrap within your text box. And that's it. You've officially imported text into Photoshop. For most casual uses, this method is not only simplest, but also the most versatile. If you do need to bring in lots of data, say for a batch of name tags or product lists, Photoshop also supports automated text importing through its variables feature. That's a bit more advanced, using compatible data files. So if you're interested, let me know in the comments and I'll make a dedicated video. I hope this walkthrough helped you feel confident importing text, whether it's for a big project or a quick edit. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more clear step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.